This is the tutorial for GesturePresenter ExB. Open this presentation in Keynote. The purpose of it is going to show how to create a text box with an animation and save it to a movie file MP4 for inclusion in the Dropbox for GesturePresenter. Navigate to the second slide and you'll see Quarterly Report. That is a simple text box with no animation. We're going to add some animation to it. Click on it, go to the top right, click Animate, click Build In, click Add an Effect. We will select the flame effect. You can change any of these parameters to your specifications. Then what we're going to do is we need to turn this into an MP4. In order to do that, we need to isolate it. We're going to right click on the slide and copy it. And then what we're going to do is create a new presentation. Any theme will do. Right click on the first slide and paste the slide that you just copied. You can remove the first slide, and that's really all there is to this part. What we need to do is to save it as a QuickTime. File, Export to QuickTime. Change Go to Next Slide after 0 seconds, and the next Go to Next Build after 0 seconds. That's important because it keeps the file size small and makes it so that there's minimal delay before and after the slide is displayed by GesturePresenter. Click Next. The name of the slide will be the same as the presentation, ExB. Auto Jump, which is explained in the previous tutorial. Then there are two numbers. The first number indicates the slide after which GesturePresenter will display the movie. It'll be after slide 1. And the next is the order of the movie file. So this will be the first movie file displayed. If there are more, this will be 1, 2, 1, 3, etc., etc. So we let the export happen. As you can see, we've done this once before, so I'm simply going to overwrite the file. So what has happened, if you look at your Finder, is you've created ExB AutoJump 11.m4v. What we really want is MP4. In order to convert M4v to MP4, you can use any of a number of conversion utilities available in the App Store. We have chosen to use Prism. What you simply do with Prism is drag the M4v into Prism, and the first thing you will do is to change the output format to MP4 if it isn't already changed. The second thing, make sure your Save To folder is the place where the presentation is. Then you click Convert and you will end up with an MP4 here. You will take your relevant MP4s and PDFs and copy them into the Dropbox for GesturePresenter.